gamma. Here we can say that tan of gamma h, that is opposite side, over the radius. Adjacent side is radius. These are the actual formulas if we are taking the tan of all these three angles. लेकिन जो हमें पता है कि अगर हम कोई छोटा सा मिरर ले रहे हैं तो उसका एपर्चर बनेगा स्मॉल. तो कंसिडरिंग फॉर स्मॉल एपर्चर, स्मॉल एपर्चर के लिए ये जो tan अल्फा होता है दैट मीन्स टेंजेंट, इसका वैल्यू अल्फा के बराबर ही निकलता है. दैट मीन्स अल्फा विल बी इक्वल टू h बाई यू एंड दिस बीटा विल बी इक्वल टू h बाई v, h over v, and this gamma will be equal to h over r. बस इसमें इतना ही याद रखना है, बाकी कोई कुछ मुश्किल है ही नहीं. आपको बस एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का कंसेप्ट लेना है कि आई हैव टू टेक द tan of this angle and this angle, and this you should suppose this is the height, this is the image, this is the radius of curvature, this is the object distance. And for small aperture, this tan of alpha is always equal to alpha, tan of beta is equal to beta, tan of गामा इज इक्वल टू गामा. ये कंसेप्ट आप मैथ में 10th के मैथ में सीखोगे इन द ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. नाउ वी कैन से दैट okay, if I will take this triangle A, B and C, to make you understand, let us draw this triangle here. इस ट्रायंगल को यहाँ से उठा के यहाँ पे हम बनाते हैं. दिस ट्रायंगल इज लाइक दिस, दिस, दिस. ओके बच्चे, ये हमारा A, ये है B, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे C है, ये है एंगल अल्फा, ये है एंगल थीटा, और यहाँ पे जो बन रहा है गामा. इसमें 9th क्लास का कंसेप्ट. This is the exterior angle and this exterior angle will be sum of the interior two angles. तो यहाँ पे मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि from triangle what ABC, A, B and this C, ABC, gamma, which is exterior angle, will be equal to sum of interior angles, that is alpha plus theta, right? Alpha plus theta. Let this be equation first. Now taking this triangle, this was triangle first, take this triangle number second, which will be like this, and like this. Here is gamma, here again is theta, here is beta. This is C, this is B, and this is triangle 2, this was triangle. Here again beta is the exterior angle, will be equal to sum of the all two interior angles. So from triangle BC, this is D, BCD, again beta is equal to angle gamma plus angle theta, angle gamma plus angle theta. This is equation second, right? This is equation second. Now we have to solve these two equations. Here is also theta, here is also theta. To omit these thetas, we can subtract these two equations. If I will subtract, अगर मैं इस equation में से ये वाली इक्वेशन निकालता हूँ, ठीक है बच्चा, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ये थीटा और थीटा ओमेट हो जाएगा, ये थीटा और थीटा ओमेट हो जाएगा, which means by subtracting equation first and second, we will get this gamma minus beta will be equal to alpha minus gamma. This theta minus theta will be 0, which is not supposed to be right here. Now we can put these values. We know here alpha is this, beta is this, Gamma is this. So we can put the value of gamma, which is h by r, right? Minus beta is equal to h over v is equal to alpha is equal to. Here we can more simplify this. If I will take this gamma to this side, this gamma will be positive. So twice of gamma will be equal to this minus of beta will be plus, that is alpha plus beta. Now put these values. This will be twice of gamma will be replaced by h by r, right? Alpha will be replaced by h by u, which we have taken from this, that is h over u, h over u plus this beta h over v, h over v. Now according to sign convention, this r will be negative, distance is taking from pole. This u will be negative, this v will be negative. All three distances are falling from this side. Measurement is taken from this side. हम measurement pole से ले रहे हैं. Image distance, radius of curvature, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इंसिडेंट रे के अपोजिट में, ठीक है? तो नेगेटिव साइन सबको आएगा. हियर वी कैन सी एच एच एंड एच. दिस एच विल बी कैंसल ऑन बोथ साइड्स. नाउ वी विल गेट twice of r is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v, because this minus and this minus will also be cancelled. Now changing this r's value, we know that r is equal to twice of f. Here we can get twice of f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v, which implies that 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v, and this is our mirror formula. अगर आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि मिरर फॉर्मूला को डिराइव करो कॉनकेव